Alright, so just installed 3/4 horsepower new InSinkerator. These parts weren't necessary. Hose fittings for this discharge. Didn't need that. Reused existing hose, but appreciate ordering this. Didn't need the plug kit either, as I took off the old one and that didn't take a whole lot of effort, but it would have been same opening up and putting the one in place. So the new 3/4 horsepower is in. I'm gonna turn it on, run some water first. Okay, turn the power on. Power working. We'll check for leaks, any drips. Everything looks good on that end. The only fitting is here. Any new installation on the inside, there's a plastic round piece that needs to be knocked out if dishwasher water discharges to the food disposal. Otherwise, if there's no dishwasher, don't need to knock that piece out to keep it watertight. Water discharge, wastewater discharge, gray water. Had to loosen these connections up to make the proper fit and get the old one off. Do a hand test, feeling for any moisture, drips. I don't feel anything. Everything's good. So new seal has been replaced with the collar, metal collar, and everything looks good. So we'll just tidy the place back up. Highly suggest registering this because I believe it's got maybe a 5-year warranty. Probably just for the parts, not labor. Alright, let's turn that off. Alright, and they have ones that are nearly super quiet, but gonna pay super premium for it. Alright, we're done. That one still works, but may face seizing, according to what I understand. Mumbling my words, but I'm gonna donate that. Even try to sell it maybe for $35 and donate the money to St. Jude's. That's what I like to do. Anything that's reusable, donate, including just donate out of my wallet. St. Jude's is a great organization because kids need help, but not all families can afford medical care for their children. Cheers.